taking a little bug out trip, local bug out trip.
Bug out Moto.
Going to look at some land, 100 acres for sale, where I could live totally off grid. It has no water, but it does have electricity, even though I wouldn't use the electricity. Honestly, I'd rather have the water than the electricity. Most of it is a wooded lot. Like I told you guys, I'm looking for land that has trails, and it does have ATV trails from my understanding. And it also has a cabin, a lofted cabin. This little country town here in Ohio. Good old Ohio. Had me turn on some back road here with no street sign. This is interesting. Check this shit out, man. We got some country ghetto out here. Dog road. That's country road name for you. Just take dog road right up the street and you'll be right there. Right there on the dog road. out yonder. Just go bid out yonder, and it'll be right up there off the dog road. I like it, man. It's got some character out here, dude. Good old Ohio country. Damn, this road. Shit. Damn, boy. Where the hell is this GPS taking me, man? Your mouth shoulder a little pretty, boy. What you doing around these parts? You get lost, boy, around these parts. You out here in the backwoods. Look at that, boy. Where the heck am I going, man? Got me a single wide. Get no radio station on here. Hey, man, Hey, man, I better get out of here before dark. I know that, because it's going to be pitch black out here. Look at here. We got some Amish folks. All right. Nice. I love Amish folks. Good people. Everybody waves out here. I'm not used to that. That's country for you. Everybody waves. I love the rolling hills of Ohio, though. It's absolutely gorgeous. The winter sucks, but you know what? Spring, summer, and fall is absolutely amazing in Ohio. I love it. This is home. Will always be home for me. And no matter where you go in Ohio, it still feels like Ohio. Hey, see, we got the Amish buggy here. Yep, we're in Amish land, baby. And, you know, a lot of people just blaze right by these Amish buggies, and that's not right, man. Knock these poor Amish buggies and folks over. A lot of a-holes out there, man, I'll tell you. Got some Amish kids here. Check them out, skateboarding, man. Hey, little buddy. You out there skateboarding. I didn't know they were allowed to have skateboards. I guess they had skateboards back in the 1700s. Man, I gotta ride my motorcycle around here. Look at that, we got some twisty action here, dude. Pretty decent roads, too. No potholes. Yet. Check that out, man. We got a ranch. Got some ranch action. Look at them rolling hills, brother. All right, look at this twisty action, man. Dang, man. I should have rolled my motorcycle out here. Check that out. Got a little cemetery action here. What's that, little church with cemetery here? That's unique. Now I gotta find the gate. I better hurry up, man. 100 acres with a cabin, one parcel. Check this out. Dude, this would be all mine, man. Awesome. Check this out, dude. I'm a fool for going this late, man. I don't know if I can make it up here, though. Should have brought my Lexus all-wheel drive, but I should be okay. Goodness, look at this, rough. Check it out. There's the cabin. Look at that. Look at that land. That's sick. There's a trail right there, man. Oh, I should have brought my WR250R. This is dope. Check it out. They have water containers there. This is cool. This would be all mine. 100 acres. Is this cool or what, man? Here's the cabin. Check it out. Kind of raggedy. Not bad though. It was built 1929. So there's the little outhouse. Check it out. I don't know about taking a crap there, man. Look at this, dude. Oh man. Total quiet. Total privacy. Check it out. Look at this. Look at this. We got some ATV trail action here. Oh my goodness. This is sick. Check it out. Yeah. Got a barbecue pit here. Grill. Yeah, that's a nice barbecue grill. Nice little storage. Put my bikes in there, maybe. Kind of shoddy though. Alright, let's go up further. See what else is up here. Man, that's pretty rough back here, man. I hope I can get out of this. I may have to camp out in my van overnight, man. I hope not. Look at this, dude. We got, I don't know, it looks very, very dense in those woods. Check this out. I guess this is the end here. Wow, look at that, man. Some serious dirt bike action back there, dude. We got log action here. Check it out. What's that? Water tank, dude. I think that's a water tank. This land supposedly has mineral rights too, or something like that, that pays out like $800 a year, so your taxes are really cheap on this. Look at this. It's got an ATV trail right there, man. Look at that. That's sick. Hope I can get out of here, man. Look at this. Wow. This is awesome, man. Definitely not driving my van up through here, but you can get some Jeep action through here. Look at this. This is sick. I really want to buy this now, man. This is so awesome. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. There's another trail there, man. Oh, that's gorgeous. Out here running. Look at this. We got some action over there. Got trails everywhere, man. Beautiful. This would be all mine. I gotta get out of here. It's getting ready to get dark, and last thing I want is to be stuck out here in pitch black night. Hey, now it's time to get out of here. and make a decision on whether I want to buy this or not. This is absolutely what I was looking for, though. Absolutely, man. 100 acres. Look at that. Just ride up into your own woods. Acres and acres and acres of riding. Beautiful scenery. Gated off land. So you're not really going to have any trespassers on your property. Like Cycle Cruiser. There's the gate right there. This is the entrance into the property. I love it, man. Gotta close the gate back. Don't want to be an a-hole. Leave the gate open for some buster to come in there and trespass. By the way, I am allowed to go into this property. Yeah, I did have permission to go on the property. I'm not trespassing. Okay. I love it, man. All right, let me get out of here before I get lost out here in the country. It's about to become nighttime, and the last thing I want to do is be caught out here in the country at night. So I just have a decision to make and see if I can purchase this property. We'll see how it pans out. This chapel with the cemetery, man, that is just really cool. This little town's got some character, man. It's good old country character, just the way I like it. So hey guys, tell me if you think this property is cool or what, man. Should I buy it? I don't know if I can. We'll see how it pans out though. But make sure to subscribe to this channel, Bug Out Moto. But if you want to get links to all the stuff, all the mods I did in this van, go to my website cyclecruiser.com and click on the menu tab My Van Stuff, and that's links to everything. And it also includes videos, links to the videos on my build series on this Bug Out Moto van. Hit thumbs up if you like this video. Really helps me get motivated to do more videos. Share this video with your friends. Let's talk about it, man. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel over at youtube.com/cyclecruiser, and also like me at Facebook. Catch you guys later.